So today we will start with the Replo. How to add the Replo page, landing page apps and customize Replo page builder with the Figma file. So here, if you see, I have already added the Replo page builder. You can find it to go to Shopify apps. Then if you write down here Replo landing page builder, then you can install it to your page. Actually, Replo is they have their own platform. As like if you see the page builder, other page builder like Pagefly, Gem Pages, it is totally different page. And first of all, you need to buy the basic plan. If you publish the Replo pages to your store. Okay, now move on to the Replo page. So here you need to create, you need to see here a lot of ready-made template there they have already given to you. So you can choose from here, or if you don't need to choose here, just go back and create a new page, blank page, like Replo landing page. And if you need the header footer from, so you can put it here, but I don't need the header footer. So this is the dashboard of the Replo page, where you can see you can find all the devices here. For the desktop, it is tablet, mobile. So we will start our designing with the desktop and mobile version, so we don't need the tablet version. Okay, so first of all, here is the layers. You can add from when you have added any widget, you can check on the layer part. So first of all, we will take a container, and if I show you, this is the landing page of the Figma. So we will design it with the Replo. So they have the full header image, and they have the logo, navigation, the account. So here we have taken one container. Here it is the container. Then we will add the images here. As I have downloaded the image, so I have put it here. Then we will take a container for the navigation, for the header, where we have 3 columns here, one for logo, one for navigation, one for account. So here we need to take as a position. So we need to click here the container. Then on the left side you will see the position, the retrieved container. So it is going here, and now we can move it to columns, make it 3 columns. So 3 columns are there. it is the 3 columns, so we have to put, like, first of all the logo. So it is going there, so we need to put it here. You see the logo. And here we will put the bullet list, which will go side by side, and based on our Figma file, it is showing like free logo list, so we don't need another. And the last one is the same bullet list, and we don't need the other 3 list here, so we just delete this one. Okay, now we have added the logo, and we need to put some padding and padding top and padding bottom, so it will be look like this. And it is showing the 50%, so no need to see it is the small size. We will design the fonts later. Now we are changing the position of the logo. It should be on the left side, and we will give some padding here. And also with this container, we will put some padding on the left and right. So this is how to design the navigation on the transparent in the Replo page builder. Thanks for today's video. We will move on the next video tomorrow.